Thank you for buying this 15137-24 acrylic tube from Fixture Displays. The length is 24 inches, diameter is 50 millimeters or 2 inches nominal. The wall thickness is right about 2 millimeters. If you are using this tube for scientific purpose or need the exact diameter or size match, do contact us before you purchase. I encourage you to browse fixturedisplays.com for many other business and consumer products we have to offer. In addition to tubes, we also sell rods, sheets, discs, squares, and acrylic glue. The part numbers for glue are 11310, for discs 18822, and so on.